You don't say. You think so? I don't know. And then what happened? No. So what'd you do? I would have done the same thing. Well, yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Well, I guess we agree. Thanks, Mitch. That was a good story. The end. Oh.